Okay students, see this question. A particle moving in a smooth horizontal surface strikes a stationary wall. This is a stationary wall. This is a stationary wall, and it is striking here. And the angle strikes is equal to the angle rebound, which is equal to 37 degrees. Assume that velocity is v1 y, v1 x. Hope you are able to see. It is an angle 37 degrees, and after that after rebounds it goes with velocity v2y and v2x, 37 degrees, and here is 37 degrees and 37 degrees here. So he is saying that coefficient of restitution is given as 1 by 5. Coefficient of restitution E is equal to magnitude v2x by v1x, which is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, one statement is done. v2x by v1x is equal to 1 by 5. Next, what is saying, find the coefficient of friction between the wall and the particle from particle form, x by 10. What the value? Find the x value. So whenever you see this kind of question, friction is given, so we will be confused whether to solve or not. Simple. When the friction is given also, whatever it is given, first write whatever is known. Tan 37 is equal to v1y by v1x, which is also equal, then tan 37 is also equal to the other fellow v2y by v2x. We can write v1y by v1x is equal to v2y by v2x. So we got one relation, and from this is equation 1. So v2x by v1x is equal to, so we have v2x by v1x is equal to 1 by 5. So we can replace here v2x by so v1y by 5 is equal to v2y, if I am not wrong. So this is equation 3, this is equation 2. Then what is saying, the friction between the wall and the particle. So when you see this kind of diagram, this is a wall, it is coming and striking theta, and first calculate the change in momentum. We'll do here only. I'm erasing this. Okay, change in momentum of the particle. So there is a force, friction will act in body depending on the normal. So friction is equal to mu times the normal. How the normal comes because of the force that is exerting. I am assumption. So the body is in t seconds in touch with the wall. T seconds it is in touch with the wall. Why we are considering t seconds? Na? So we will understand after some time. So t seconds. So if you see calculation of momentum, force is nothing but momentum by time, change in momentum by change in time. So time is how much? T. So this is a force. How much force on the particle will be? So I am writing here, force is equal to, so P is nothing but m into change in velocity v2x. So find v2x is in the left direction, so minus v1x, because minus v1x is the right direction, by time t. So this is equal to minus m v2x plus v1x by t. This is on the particle, so force acts in the left direction on the particle, but on the wall the force is nothing but normal, which is, so the force is nothing but normal. We can write the free body diagram of the body of the wall if you draw. So friction will act, so we should know again v2y and v1y, which is more, v1y is greater than v2y, which means the body is trying to go upward. This is v2y and this is v1y. Friction will act in which direction? Velocity. If velocity is increased, friction will act in this direction, but in this case velocity is decreased, so friction will act in the downward direction. So friction, so velocity v2y, and friction is mu into normal force is nothing but friction, force mu into what is the value, m into v2x plus v1x by t, and yeah, how much time it is in contact? T seconds. V is equal to u plus at, and v is nothing but v2y is upward direction, and u is u1y, and a in the downward direction, so minus mu into a is nothing but m, so m will be cancelled, a is equal to, so mu into v2x plus v1x by t into time t gets cancelled because same time duration it is in contact. So v1y, so we already have a relation, v2y is equal to v1y by 5, v1y minus mu v2x and v1x, we have one more relation, I think, v2x is equal to v1x by 5, so it will be v1x by 5 plus v1x. Okay, then it goes to other side, minus 4 v1y by 5 is equal to minus mu 6 v1x by 5 gets cancelled, so minus also gets cancelled, mu is equal to 4 v1y by 6 into v1x. So v1y by v1x is nothing but tan 37 na? So tan 37 is equal to 3 by 4, so it is equal to mu is equal to 4 by 6 into 3 by 4, it is equal to 1 by 2. Mu is equal to 1 by 2 as per our calculations. So what is the value he is asking? Mu is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to x by 10, so x is equal to 5, so that is the answer. Thank you.